Okay, we got a 1989 Chevy Celebrity. Very clean car, 95,000 miles. They really took care of this one, man. I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing on the expressway. I want y'all to take a ride with me. Real good get up, man. Chevy started making these Celebrities back in 1982. This was actually the last year they made it, before they came out with the Chevy Molina. They love this car, man, because it was great on gas. But right now, you know, regular gas, you can fill this thing up about 25 bucks. You know, that's pretty good, shoot. But for a V6 front-wheel drive, man, this thing got a little bit of a get-up. I think we may need to go ahead and take it over to the muffler shop, get it to quiet down just a little bit. But besides that, I mean, she is in immaculate condition. We actually got it off a young lady that had it. It was her grandfather's car. It was garage kept. Got a really good deal on it, and I decided to do a review because I mean you don't really come across these too much. So I'm about to hop on the expressway. Got a real good get up to it. Driving really smooth, man. Wow. Up to about 60 right now. I'm gonna go ahead and really put the pedal to the metal. They also like this car, man, because when they came out with it, it was actually real cheap. Back in '89, they retailed this ride for about 12 grand, which is about 25 grand in 2022 dollars. Grand a day, so. Four-door sedan, not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and put it pedal to the metal right now. It got a really good pickup. I mean, I'm hitting 80 right now. I mean, really just a nice car, man. I mean, really get no better than this, people. For this year, I mean, everything is electrical, man. The windows. Yeah, man, got a really good get up, man. Wow. But yeah, I think I'm gonna list this car right here for about 2,500 bucks. Come over here and get it. I mean, it's not the box Chevy. Some people, yeah, it's actually like a really good handle on this car too. I mean, well, to be a 1989, it's a real deal slaughter. Even when you want to call it the baby box Chevy, it has the radio that came with it. We probably gonna put an aftermarket in there. Still keep that old school feel. But yeah, man, overall, just a nice ride. You can get your hands on one. It ain't the box Chevy, but I'll say that's kind of, you can argue that a little bit because it's a boxy style. But it ain't no box Chevy. So you call us the baby box Chevy. It was garage kept. I mean, you can still look at the seats. Power windows work.